Have you ever wondered how nocturnal insects work at night? In 2013, a research paper published called Navigational Efficiency of Nocturnal Myrmecia Ants Suffers at Low Light Levels. As stated in the title, the paper focuses on the ant Myrmecia, which is an ant also known as the bull ant, and how its normal activity is affected by light levels. This article mentions how insects have adapted their eyes to cope with different light levels. As the bull ant is nocturnal, they have adapted opposition eyes which have large single lenses. The paper explains how they investigate the ant's homing abilities in dark, dim, and bright lighting conditions, where it was measured by homing success, path shape, and travel time. The ant path was tracked and marked with small flags placed 5 centimeters behind a walking ant. They tracked 9 ants from a single nest, 3 ants every 30 minutes. This showed that ants which left in the first 30 minutes reached the tree faster than those who left 60 to 90 minutes later. The pauses represented by the blue dots are shown to have increased as light decreased. Next, the behaviour and speed was monitored by a video camera placed on a path which captured the head position, which helped measure the pause duration and walking speed. By recording the result of 2 nests, they found that when the light decreased, the walking speed dropped and pauses increased. Homing accuracy in different lighting and also how lighting affects homing navigation were the next procedures used. Both of these have similar starts, where they captured ants from the same nest at the base of a tree and feed them a solution of 10% sugar and pray for release. For homing accuracy in different lighting, they released the ants at the tree base a day later during dark, dim, and bright lighting conditions. This found as light levels dropped, the ants began to stray away from paths, and it took them double the amount of normal time to return to the nest. For how lighting affects homing navigation, the ants were released 10 minutes after capture, facing different directions 12 meters from the tree in dark lighting. It was found that when collected before sunset, the ants found the nest faster than those who collected after sunset. Overall, it was found that when lighting decreases, the ants tend to pause longer and stray from paths. It was also found that these ants navigate by using landmarks, which is greatly affected by lighting conditions. Myrmecia ants' eyes have adapted by having lenses, 3 times larger with photoreceptors wider than a day-dwelling ant species. Myrmecia ants are still affected by which has shown and proven throughout this paper.
The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching